In this video, I will show you how to get a Solana trading bot that will make you tons of profit that's fully automated with OpenClaw. I set it up about 3 weeks ago, and you can see the profits have been insane. I'm already up 80,000 profit simply by using this bot, and in this video I will show you guys exactly how to use the bot and set it up fully. And I've tested all of the different trading methods, and using this to trade Solana coins gave me the best profits possible. It finds the lowest market cap coins and snipe them super early, like look at this recent coin it cooked on. Just from that one trade I made $3,000 profit, as you can see from this axiom, PNL. The best part is that it is able to consistently do this. In the last week, every single trade it has made profit on. You can set this up right now by going to Clawdbot.app. The bot has so many features, so I'm going to showcase some real quick to you guys. One of the reasons this is the best autonomous trading bot is that it has a super good anti-rug pull detection system. It checks for things like locked liquidity, top holder percent, and even has a built-in auditing system to detect bundled coins that are using software to hide that they bundled or own a large amount of supply on the coin. It also has risk scoring to always find the best opportunities on Solana to make money, and also a built-in whale tracker to find successful traders to copy, and because it's lighting fast, it can get in on the trade before the whale does. So to get started, go to the website called clawtrencher.app. Then once you're there, click the button that says Launch Clawbot. Then that will take you to the Connect Wallet button. So before you can deploy the bot and have it start trading for you, you have to connect your wallet. I used Phantom Wallet, as that's my favorite wallet, but you will just select the one you have. When you connect your wallet, you might see a pop-up like this, by the way. If you see that, do not worry, it's just a false positive. Kind of like when your antivirus marks a program as a virus, even though it's obviously not. And I take my security very seriously, so do not worry. Just click proceed anyway. Once you're in, you'll get full access to the dashboard. It has so many amazing features. As you can see, it's constantly scanning for newest launches and coins that could 100 times. And it's always calculating the risk on all of them. Also, it shows you your live PNL, so you can always see how much money you're up. Also, it comes with a Telegram bot, so you can use it on the go as well, very easily. Like, check out this trade it did on the Peace coin recently. It got in super early and basically sniped the coin at around 25,000 market cap, then sold at the top, which was around 2.3 million market cap or so. I winded up making almost $3,000 profit from this trade on Peace coin, which is absolutely insane. This bot is just so good, and every trade it will always be super early. It also knows how to extract the most profits without tanking the chart, so it even helps the chart of the coins because it slowly extracts liquidity from your supply, which also makes you way more in the long run because you stretch out your profits instead of selling your entire bag instantly. But if it senses a rug pull or something shady, it will immediately dump all for you. Even if you go on Reddit and Twitter, you will see so many whales talking about Clawtrencher. Like, for example, this guy said he made over 100 sol profit from using the AI bot. So I'm telling you guys, you need to hurry and go to the site now and deploy now. You're sleeping on so much profit right now. Every day, there is multiple 100 times on Solana, and this bot will catch all of them even while you sleep. I recommend starting with at least 10 Solana, by the way, so make sure your wallet is loaded up, because the more you put in, the more chances you have of making way more. Like if you catch a 100 times with the bot, but you only put in $10, you're not gonna make life-changing money. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's super simple to get started. It legit takes no skill and will make you so much.